Hey everyone, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from Bowling Green, Kentucky at the Danchuk Trifive Nationals. Well, I've got a minute to get away from the booth here. We've been very busy and been really appreciative of everybody who stopped by our booth. And just want to thank you for making this just another awesome show. So I'm just up here near the entranceway while we got some other cars coming in for today's show. And like I said, you see some interesting things at these shows. So anyways, I'm going to walk along here. I'm up in another area here. And we just got some beautiful Tri-5s just everywhere. The racing is going on. Fun runs are running all day. So you run what you brung, basically pass basic tech inspection and have some fun. So anyways, just coming along here, taking in some cars. Let's pan around and work around these people here. But as you can see, Tri-5s as far as the eye can see. I mean, there's a bunch here in the background. We got a group here under this tent here, right near the entrance, up on a nice little grassy knoll here. Just kind of pan around in here. Yeah, we're running the show till 6 today, and a big attendance today. The weather seems a little bit more mild today, so it's just a gorgeous day to come out and check out a car show. As you can hear, the racing is definitely underway. Somebody getting after it right there. But we're going to have our drawing later today, we're having drawings today for the Yeti Cups. So if you're here, make sure you get your name in. If you put your name in already, you're still in the drawing. And then after toward the end of the show, we're going to have the drawing for the Danchuk VIP experience. Now that entitles you to next year's registration, 3 nights hotels, and a $1,000 travel voucher to return to the show next year. So be sure you get signed up if you're here at the show. It's a credible opportunity, an incredible value to come back to this amazing show. Let's kind of pan around here. And today, the roller coaster is running. So the little fairgrounds or amusement park is going to be going off here pretty soon. You got some cars rolling in here right now. Just a beautiful place to have an awesome car show.
Look at this guy.
Oh, some friends of ours from the California Dreamin' Tour harassing me there. Thanks, guys. Had a great time with those guys. So anyways, I'll be taking some more, putting out some more videos later on. And just stay tuned for some more exciting stuff coming from the Danchuk Tri-5 Nationals. This is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing. See you soon.